Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or pause your profile in Boo dating app. If you want to take a break from dating, stop showing up in searches, or simply go invisible for a while without deleting your account, then this quick guide will help you do that safely and easily. First, launch open the Boo dating app on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on the three menu buttons. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. After you're inside the Settings menu, click on Manage Profile. On the next page, click on the Profile Visibility option. Now, you can go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Hide All Souls within 16 kilometers and then click on Continue. Soon after you do that, you are now hidden from other users. Your profile remains safe, but you won't receive new matches or be visible until you turn it back on. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.